Let's meet the most unique creature of the night, the pangolin. Imagine a creature covered in armor, but it's not a knight, it's a pangolin. These fascinating mammals are the only ones entirely cloaked in hard scales, made of keratin, the same stuff as your nails. When danger strikes, they roll into a ball, turning into an impenetrable fortress. And when it comes to mealtime, they're the ultimate termite and ant hunters. With tongues that stretch up to 16 inches, they can reach deep into insect mounds for a tasty feast. But there's more. Pangolins are nocturnal and solitary. They roam the night alone, making them one of the wild's most elusive creatures. So next time you think of night hunters, remember the pangolin, the armored hero of the dark.